Welcome to Thailand Walkabout. Hidden on the shores of Pattaya lies a jaw-dropping wooden wonder, a sanctuary of truth, a masterpiece of handcrafted art and Thai philosophy that will leave you speechless. Let's step inside. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you inside one of Thailand's most unique and breathtaking landmarks, the Sanctuary of Truth. Located right on the coast of Pattaya, this massive wooden structure isn't just a temple, it's an ongoing work of art, philosophy and spirituality, all carved by hand. Whether you're into architecture, culture or just love discovering hidden gems, this is one spot that should be on everyone's Thailand itinerary. Adults can enter the Sanctuary of Truth for 500 Thai baht, with 250 Thai baht for kids, and that fee includes a 30-minute guided tour where you'll explore the stunning wood carvings and learn the rich symbolism behind each masterpiece. Well guys, if you are planning to come here, make sure you've got a certain degree of, a certain level of fitness, because we're going to go down a number of flights of stairs and you want to make sure that you can make your way back up. One of the most incredible things about this place is the craftsmanship. Artisans here don't just build, they breathe life into the wood. No nails, just interlocking joints and wooden pegs. Traditional Thai woodworking techniques passed down through generations. And because wood is vulnerable to weather and time, repairs and updates are ongoing. It's a living structure, always evolving, never finishing. Construction of Sanctuary of Truth began in 1981. The brainchild of Thai businessman Lek Pahant. He believed modern society was becoming too focused on materialism and technology, so he wanted to build something that honoured the spiritual roots and ancient wisdom of the East. The Sanctuary of Truth isn't just tied to one religion, it represents universal spiritual truth. Themes of creation, life, death, and the pursuit of enlightenment are found throughout. There's Brahma, the four faces, representing birth, growth, decay, and death. And there's a hall dedicated to earth, water, fire, and wind, the four elements of existence. Outside the temple, there's even more to explore. You can ride a horse cart, try traditional wood carving in workshops, or just enjoy the view of the sea. There are local guides here who speak English, offering deep insight into each carving and story. So guys, just a little break. If you like what you see, please press like, share, subscribe, bell button all. Nach and I would appreciate that. Thank you very much. Stepping inside, you're hit with a wave of awe. Every wall, every pillar, even the ceiling. It's all hand-carved wood. With scenes from mythology, philosophy and cosmology. It smells of fresh wood and ocean air. It feels ancient and alive at the same time. And it's quiet, almost sacred. The carvings depict scenes from Thai and Hindu legends, gods, demons, celestial beings, and symbolic animals. Each room is a story, a lesson, a universe. Everywhere you look, there's something deeper, something to reflect on. It's a reminder that while technology moves fast, ancient wisdom still matters. So guys, taking a bit of a breather, a little bit of a break. Have have a drink. Very hot. Oh, look at that. Can you take a look at that? Who's that handsome fella there?
Yeah, very handsome. 250 baht.
High five. It's just hot. You need to hydrate. So make sure you're well hydrated when you come here. It's out in the open in the sun, so and it's quite humid inside the museum. Probably should have come here on an overcast day, but
You come here on a winter time.
this is winter, isn't it?
Fucking summer.
Anyway, it's hot. It feels like it's high season, but you know, it's a
You want to put
warm
Thai
day in late July. What's that?
clothes? You want to put Thai clothes?
Do you want to put Thai clothes? No. You can. I can film you if you want. No? Well, if you do it, I'll do it. How's that sound?
Right there. Fucking hot there. What is important?
So what do you notice in Asia?
I never think it's a Filipino is working here in Thailand. So it surprised me because when we walk inside, we can come inside, it's a Filipino. Even that guy, that group.
Yeah.
The Thai,
Like a lot of the tourists are Filipino too.
Philippines.
Yeah, they must advertise it and promote it.
I was thinking maybe Thailand give good salary maybe because even Lao person come work here too.
Myanmar.
Cambodia work in Thailand.
And
Maybe they get good salary.
when do you think this project's going to stop?
I think when the finish project, I think
In our lifetime?
maybe not mine.
Not mine either. I'm closer
But
to
it's
the
been for
I'm closer to the finish line than you are.
but it's been for how long now? 40 years? They say?
Yeah, so they commissioned this build in 1981.
1981.
But you've been here 10 years ago.
Yes, I've been here 10 years.
And was it like this?
It's not big like this.
No.
You have to imagine 10 years ago and 10 years later. It have to be big.
Big difference.
Yeah,
Yeah.
big difference. So, yeah, I think it's big difference.
Looking better.
Yeah? Before not too big like this.
But is it worth the 500 baht entry fee?
If recording is hard, yes.
I think it is. Yeah. It's a bit of a price shock when you first get here. You think 500. My goodness, it better be good. But
Come on.
it is actually worth it.
You pay for 500 one person, you 500 baht, me 500 baht. I come here, buy 2 Coke, 100 baht. And then I buy the picture, 250 baht. But if you want to do something another, it's cost money also.
It's a good business, Baht.
300, 400, 500, 200.
It's a good business, Baht, isn't it? Good business model. I wonder, they might, because you said before it wasn't 500 baht, it was like, what,
300, I think. 3 or 200 baht.
200 baht. And at some point, someone came up with
I guess. If I don't remember long, it's about 300 baht.
300 baht. Oh, but even back then, 10 years ago, that would have been a bit steep.
I think so. I'm not paying 500 baht, I'm sure.
This guy in the background.
I can pay that.
You can? I can too. Whether it sounds good is another thing
No, I
altogether.
mean, I learned when I'm in school.
Did ya?
Yeah,
What?
but not the best, but now I forget already what you don't come to.
What, that kind of beat?
Like that, exactly the same.
Oh, really? Cool.
They have a special teacher learn, you know.
Can you still play that now?
Yeah. Oh, long time แล้ว when I'm 12 years old.
Yeah. So it's not like riding a bike? You forget after a while? Yeah, okay.
That one different.
Yeah.
But the bike, I cannot forget.
But you know, like riding a bike, you never forget
No.
how to ride a bike kind of thing.
But something like that, or guitar, piano, something like that, you can't forget. If you're not really like so.
It's peaceful here, isn't it? I could actually sit here all day,
Me too.
especially with you.
Sweet talk.
These hard hats didn't make it very comfortable, did it? Felt like my brain was slow roasting. Guys, I didn't bother bringing out my DJI Action 5 camera out. Didn't want to cause any issues because they're fairly strict on not filming for commercial purposes. So we've just whipped out our iPhone for this excursion. Hopefully the sound quality is good. I know the picture quality will be okay, but hoping that the background noise doesn't drown out our voice too much. Look, it's a beautiful place, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, please press like, share, subscribe, bell button all, and we'll see you in the next video. Where are we going next, Nacha?
Rayong.
Rayong. Stay tuned.